morning, boys and girls. BTC, $42,000, well, $41,000. So I woke up this morning thinking that we might actually be in for quite a bit of a dip, and I was wrong. So this entire time, Bitcoin at 37,000, I thought it was gonna dip. 39,000, thought it was gonna dip. The emotional point for Bitcoin are usually the 10,000s. Mainly for a lot of these investors. So I'm like, all right, it'll probably crack before 40,000. And it didn't. Hit 40,000, dipped down to 36. I'm like, all right, we're in for a little correction. Nope. Bitcoin didn't give a fuck, and it kept shooting all the way up. And now we're at 41.3. So, in my humble opinion, this is gonna be, I don't know what number of time I'm giving my opinion again on the price and the dipping and all that. I think at this point, it's probably safe to say that we're gonna hit $50,000 relatively soon. However, I have to say, there's no way it will not correct at $50,000. I don't believe that it won't. And when I say correct, I'm not talking about a measly, 10% correction like it did the other day. I'm talking about 25, 30% correction, like Bitcoin usually does when it's racing up this high. Because this is crazy, guys. I mean, literally, just last week, it was like $20,000, $30,000. Literally just last week. So, I gotta think that we're in for some sort of accumulation phase. I know what a lot of people are saying is that, a lot of people are saying that there's not gonna be any accumulation. We're pretty much in parabolic mode, and there's no going back. And usually I would agree. I mean, listen, I love parabolic mode. But let me tell you this. Something that a lot of people already understand is that there is money to be made in volatility. Whether it's going up, whether the asset's going up or it's going down. Believe it or not, a lot of people make money when the price of Bitcoin or any asset goes down. You can short it, obviously, sell it, at some point near the top, and when it drops below, you buy back again. And what I find is that a lot of the whales tend to do that. So when you see these huge dumps in price, that's literally the whales shaking people out. And it's good for the whales, bad for the people, right? But nonetheless, obviously there's a lot of institutional investors, involved in this space now. So to a certain degree, maybe that's why it looks like there won't be that crazy of a dip. But I don't know. I mean, I don't know, bro. Just look at the chart, all right? Look at the chart. I mean, this is crazy. I literally drew a bear flag for, I drew a flag, charting a little bit earlier when Bitcoin was around $40,000. And I wanted to see if it would really crash down below, like 38 or whatever. And it did, surprisingly. I'm not a trader by any means, but I guess I'm good at drawing bear flags. And this morning I looked back at it, and I noticed that although it dropped below the bear flag, it raced right back up. And now it's at 41.3. Oh, dude, Bitcoin doesn't give a crap about anyone. But yeah, so I don't know, I just thought I would come out this morning, speak my mind. And for the most part, again, I think that, we will hit 50K at this point. I mean, I would be very surprised if we didn't hit 50K. However, I am still 100% sure there's going to be a correction. Oh shit. You know what I mean? There's no way we're going to go this entire time without a correction. We've literally done 100% of Bitcoin's last all-time high. Think about that. 100%. I literally saw people joking on Twitter, people would love the thought of buying Bitcoin at 20,000 at this point, which was the all-time high last time. God, guys, this is crazy. And you know what, too? I know what a lot of other people are saying as well, is that, again, we're here essentially for the long term. We're not going back down because of what's going on in the world. Honestly, mainly what's going on in the U.S., right? Money being printed out the ass. The Senate is pretty much the Senate is now majority Republican now. Sorry, Democratic. Meaning that, they'll be able to pass bills a lot easier than before. AKA, more money to be printed, most likely, right? So, I mean, also that, and, you know, a lot more distrust in the government. And there's a whole bunch of stuff that you could attribute all this run up to. I think that's going to be the main thing. But, you know, so with that being said, that's permanent. I mean, that's here to stay. So what I'm thinking is, yes, Bitcoin will correct right around 50K. However, I do think that it's not going to be I don't think it's going to be a smooth ride up there either. Because I think at this point a lot of people are shorting Bitcoin too. Or, you know, are thinking of, like, you know, kind of dumping it as well. So I'll see. You know, I'm not sure. I mean, I'll tell you this much. I would love BTC to relax a little bit so the alts have their time in the sun. That's what I would like. You know? So as much as I love Bitcoin, and trust me, I am happy to see it run up along with Ethereum. You know, I want to see my alts run up too, bruh. Anchor, where you at, baby? LBC, iDNA. You know what I'm saying? Where y'all at? We need you guys, all right? We need you guys. Verge did 100% yesterday. I made that video. So, you know, we'll see. I don't know. But either way, we'll keep talking. I'll see you guys at 50K, all right? Peace.